What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and my subscribers. Big up to yourself, man. You don't know the thing going here. You don't know, so the one and only attacking boss is here, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I me say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, my people. Sir, earlier I covered the story, my people. Sadly about them two brothers, the age 26, age 21. Who them said John over there in the United States of America, my people. Sadly, two of them gone. One jump off, younger one. Bigger one jump off to try help him. You understand? At the time up to date, them still can't find younger one. They manage to find the bigger one. You know what I mean? Him jump last, they manage to find him, my people. But where the attacking boss are forward off from now, my viewers and subscribers. Because I want to on point with you all, you know, my people. And this is not joke thing. This is a reality, you know. Because you see, when me comes about my people and me getting the information, them my viewers and subscribers, but definitely have to, you know what I mean, share it with you all. Because now, my people, you see that world that we live in, is a very cool world we live in. Very cruel world. And we are going to find a lot of wicked people, evil people, devious people who are going to go up against others, my people. And if you shall statistical check my viewers and subscribers and go around the world, go in the globe and look naturally, which people in society now, with whatever profession them have, my people, don't feel people. If you can't find one, just explain to me and tell me right now. As I said, if you can't find one, my viewers and my subscribers, please tell me right now. Doctor feel we are ready. Lawyer feel we are ready. Teacher feel we are ready. The pastor feel we are ready. Every one of them you can't think of, my people. So if them do it, who would feel it? The police, the soldier, the man on the road, everybody who have this type of profession feel with president, MP, prime minister. You understand? They do something unexpected, what we never go expect from them people that go against the rules and the laws. You understand? You can't find persons in all of these fields. So who wouldn't feel us in this world today? Back to basic, back to chat now, attacking boss. So, sad news is, my people, again. Two local brother. Two of them gone, you know. Two of them gone. Loving family in Jamaica, in Clarendon, Jamaica. As me tell a Christian family, them are youth, we go to church together. Love each other so much, grew up together, my people. You're the part of it now. The news is that brother see pretty water over there. The death, the bridge of death, the water of death, my people over there, settle and pretty. High up something. Them say others did it there, you know. News was releasing, say only two of them did it. Them say others there was there. Others were there, my viewers and subscribers, based on info what me I get. So, you are going up on the bridge of death. One brother them say jump off. When him jump off for my people, him just want jump, him want swim. And then the other one jump and try because him not seen come back up. And him jump in there too. So the family has been speaking now, my people. Family has been talking. Because these youths have family over there in the US to love them, care about them. Good youth, them, my people. And then the full youth, them smart youth. You understand? Youth have family and thing. Two of them have money, you know, my people. You understand? What I know if you get youth already, you know. They get what I'm saying? Smart youth, them. See? In the end, family spoke to the attacking boss. Them say NEWLINK. Them say attacking boss. Let me tell you something straight up. I let me tell you facts, NEWLINK. Real thing, me I gotta tell you now, NEWLINK. Real thing. Them say NEWLINK. You what go on now. You see them two youth here? None out of the two of them can swim NEWLINK. Them say NEWLINK. Them are two local youth here. Not one of them can swim. You understand? Them say NEWLINK. We the yard already. And when we come to Sangha Beach, the boy them even want the water past them knee because them afraid of water. Judge sees, Judge knows. Attacking boss. Them say NEWLINK. The boy them afraid of water. Them not like it. Not say them not like bathing on my people. But when they come on to them the type of water them scared because them can't swim. Then now my people, why him a go jump off? Tell me something. These are youth, them are youth here, and a youth who drink and junk up themselves in and about up these bag of foolishness. No. Good youth them. Yes, me know some people can't change, people can't do this, people can't do that. Go the youth them. Of course, go the youth there. People sell us out, people feel us in society nowadays. But these were good youth. Yes, my people. So, then, one them say jump off. And the other one jump off the same. And two of them gone and can't find two of them. So where the other youth them there, whoever did was on the same thing? Because some info I put out now, you know. So it was a group of them that was there. So where the group that tell the tales of what really happened. My viewers and my subscribers, and based on info, alleged info, and what the family are assuming, and I'm going to say everybody in the family, but members of the family who is assuming, said, look at man, this not right, something not right, something fall in other business here. Something fall in this business, because people, point blank, you see me I got to tell you this straight up. No joke about it, my viewers and subscribers. Me can't assume, you know. Yo, but you see, if me have on my life jacket on a real level, I will take look risk and jump off if people around who me know can't swim. But just if you go chuck off on a big bridge over there, so, oh, me say people, you see all when me travel on vacation, you not catch me going to them the water, they're not even at the beach. Me, all the pool me afraid of. Me I tell you this people, because yo, me can't swim. When me dip on boat, me people, me all have on my life jacket, you know. The other day, I take a boat, you know, my people, if you go cross some look thing what they have in the water, look party, something what they have in the middle of the water. And everybody on the boat, nobody have a life jacket. Them say, big old man like me, I put on life jacket, them a laugh. Me say, uno stay there, uno alright. Me say, uno alright, me love my life, I want me get. My viewers and my subscribers, them youth are smart youth, them. Them youth are smart youth, them. So what you going to tell me, say now? You can't say, why you are going to dip on one top for chuck on or something? What happened to you now? Something call you home? Eh? You get a vision, say you need to go down there so you can find something. Gold mine down there. You tell me say you're Aladdin, you're Superman or you're Iron Man. You which one? People.
Hi guys, so here I am back with my finishing product. So this is my sweet and sour chicken. So guys, so I'm giving you a 360 turn right here. So yes.
Viewers, subscribers, not the first me I go talk about the channel, but remember me there and me I do it again because my viewers and my subscribers, you see Mama J cooking channel, I'm recommending it to you all again, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm asking you all to please go over there and support Mama J channel because people, you don't know say I mean name NEWLINK. I'm not tell a lie people, she teach me how to cook, she teach me how to blend the juices them, and me I tell her say Mama J cooking channel are the realest channel. So I'm asking you all my viewers and subscribers, please, it's just easy, you know, check below in the description or check in the comment section for the link, and please go over there and learn to cook something we never cooked before because I can't tell these people Mama J cooking channel is the #1. Please go over there and do a subscribe. Thank you. I'm drunk but I'm not fooling, you know. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja says Jaja knows attacking boss. Something not right, my people. Something not right. Eh? Them left yard, them go over the past summer work program. A brilliant youth, them a smart youth, them. We don't know what was in the pipeline for them over there. We don't know if the skills where them have, the profession where them got, my people, the way how them carry out and do them thing, if these were some great accomplishment were coming their way. Bad mind, envy, iniquity, all of them out there in this world. Yes, the news is out there, everybody. Whoa, it's so sad too. Loving brother gone. Yes, my first vlog. Loving brothers, them the word of prayer. Yes, them gone. Sad news, him just try to help him, other brother. That was the news that was published. That was the news that was publicized. Of course, my people, that's what we all see. You understand? Yes, one, because that the news, them just want to take a swimming, just want to go into the water look pretty, nice, beautiful. Come on, my people. You can't hold on for water, you know. Why in a water for you hold on for you can't see? But there's nothing inside that water. So tell me, what about the other group that was there? Where are they? Yeah, them left from, man. Clarendon, Jamaica, country part, and then go over there in the US. You understand? Them are nothing, man. Come on, man. All country boy, them, man. Where them coming out with place? Who them? You want to come be like them on top these? Hey, people. As me tell us, say something not right. Something don't right, my viewers and subscribers. We ain't fool. You understand? Something not right. You see this people something not right, but you say, Ja, I can feel it in my people. Like, yo, I can feel it. Something not right. It was not naturally done, man. People, it was not naturally done. The youth them not go finna swim. No. It's coming on attacking, boss. I feel it. The youth them never go finna. Oh my word, oh my patience. Them never see it and just go in there and say, you know what? Me want turn a fish now. Me want, you understand? I mean, even not go put fish on them because I heard enough to fit them youth. You know. Me not go turn a hey, no NEWLINK, no sir. This is not joke thing, my people. But reality and level is my viewers and subscribers. I think some proper digging investigation to go into this thing. I think the parents, them pastor would them need to fly over there. If them the relatives them over there will link up, no need to come so boom. Try if you go dig deep into this, get some proper investigator go upon this and see what I go on with this, because this not sound right to my people. You know, based on the alleged info me get from family member and them say NEWLINK, these youth cannot swim. They can't. So if you can, why you are going to chuck off in something if you're afraid of beach to reach your knee? Over one bridge. The bridge of death, the water of death. Yes, it's a spot where other people love go, they go enjoy themselves, because a lot of them do it over there in the US, you know. People do it for fun, you know. We're thinking of this world, people. They say, man, I climb up on 20-story building or 50-100-story building and I jump off. Eh? You know, see them do all the person where them want to make them name and road record, then they yes, them pop, then can this and that go on and then gone. 3 points gone, bop, bop, drop a ground, flip, flop, boom, boom, bang, quang. My viewers and my subscribers, the attacking boss is here, and all I can say, I want a proper dig, proper invest to go into this thing. People that's that world in a level. A lot of cruel people out there, heartless people out there, crucial people out there, devious people out there. You understand? And they just go and trample people in this world right now. And when me talk, I say me not trust my people, me not trust nobody. You understand? And that's why when me tell about them call this friend, your friend, you no can't no friend. You see it? Because them come at your friend, them smiling at your face, them laugh with you, and when you turn your back, my people, them a crucify you. Them a sink you done. Them a trample you done. Them put parchment paper in them shoes and walk by your name and walk by your done and grung my people. You wonder how you're stalling in life. You wonder how things not progressive in your life. You wonder how so much bad luck a follow you. You understand? You wonder why nothing can keep in your palms. Because them a walk by your done. But you see worse, if you not believe in the Almighty and you not trust in the Almighty, my people, trouble upon you, problem upon you. You understand that's how them win and them conquer you. So you turn in yourself no want to talk about no God no day. You stay in yourself no want to talk about say yo, this and hey, I'm not preaching, man. This is reality, yo. Spiritual feelings, man. I want to know, man. Eh? You don't know who is the attacking boss. When you telling about the attack, you don't take the attack and just say, oh, NEWLINK attack, NEWLINK attack. You don't know really who's the attacking boss. You know what the attacking thing mean. You don't think I go old man and go war them. Hey, not play with it, man. You understand? Something not right, my people. And the family need answers. You understand as me say? This not right. This not right. My viewers and my subscribers, leave in the comment section what you all think. I know what you think, what you know. Because we're not a fool to, you know. My NEWLINK followers, them, my attacking followers, them. You think them don't know what go on? You think them don't know what go on? But people, big up on yourself, stay safe, and just do the right thing. And please, remember, check out the ads, yeah, my people. The NEWLINK back to school treat ads. Check it out and please support the movement, my people. September, the first week in September, this back to school treat will be held in Jamaica, my people, St. Anne. I want the people to join in and support the movement, my people. So far, 2-person contribute and we big up on yourself 1,000,000% time. And big up to everyone who are forwarding and support the movement, my people. We want to link up, support the NEWLINK back to school treat 2022. This is going to be the 5th staging of it, 5 years in a row. And we not stop, my people. We not stop. And if we're not there, the attacking boss team will continue the progress. Peace out. Stay safe and just do the right thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.